Hello friends. I've been working intensely on different strategies for a few days and, without waiting, I'm trying to publish the necessary video edits as soon as possible so that you can benefit from them as soon as possible. I also thank you for the interest you have shown. Liking the video and subscribing to the channel motivates me even more. In this video, I will show you the classic and very simple but equally profitable strategy that has been proven for years. In our strategy, we will only use one indicator. The name of this strategy is Triple Supertrend. Now I am bringing to the screen how you can find this indicator on TradingView in its settings. Please make the settings carefully. This time I will make a small change in the format of my video content and show as an example how much can be earned in a few hours by scalping during the period when an aggressive trader with a 50 times leverage captures the trend. I will first present long position trades entered aggressively with short intervals, then short position trades. As you can see, if you can capture a trend, the results are likely to be excellent. But at this point, I would like to make a very important reminder. Trading in the leveraged market can result in big profits in a short time, but it can also cause a financial disaster in a short time. Please make sure you are confident in your long-term and trading success before starting to trade in the leveraged market by opening demo accounts for testing. This practice will open the door for you to earn a regular income for the rest of your life. After this short reminder, let's move on to the very simple rules of our trade and examine the examples. Rule 1. To enter a long position, 3 blue supertrend lines must converge below a green bullish candle. The trade is entered from the level at which this bullish candle closes. Rule 2. The stop-loss level is placed below the trigger candle if it is a high-volume candle, or below the previous candle if it has low volume. Rule 3. The take-profit level is dynamic. The trade can be closed with the close of a red bear candle seen after at least 4 candles have advanced from the trigger candle, or a profit can be taken and the stop-loss level can be moved to the entry point to consider a higher profit without risk. This is entirely based on the trader's risk preference. Let's take another long position example. As you can see, the 3 supertrend lines coincide with the bottom of this green candle. Hence, we enter the trade with the closing of this green candle. Our stop-loss level is placed below the nearest blue line due to the absence of a wick below the trigger candle. Please remember, green Heikin Ashi candles without a wick below and red Heikin Ashi candles without a wick above indicate a strong trend possibility. And this trade closed with a slightly higher profit rate 1-to-1. Let's also examine a short position example. Rule 1. To enter a short position trade, 3 black supertrend lines must converge above a red bearish candle. The trade is entered from the level at which the bearish candle closes. The stop-loss level can be placed above the nearest black supertrend line because there is no wick on top of the triggering candle. And in a very short time, our indicator comes together again above the price. We open a trade for another short position that meets all the conditions of our strategy. Let's also take a look at the profit ratio here. We made a good profit from this trade.
It's not that much.
Now let's take a look at another short position example. 3 supertrend black lines have converged on the top of this bearish candle. Consequently, we can enter the trade with the closing of this candle. Since there is no wick on the top of the candle, we can place the stop-loss level above the closest black line. Our profit target is the closing level of the green candle after at least 4 red candles. At that point, you can take some profit or close the trade with a profit. Please note, if you choose to take profit and continue, you must definitely move the stop-loss level to the entry point of the trade. Otherwise, all the profit you have earned can be at risk. For traders who engage in aggressive trading, here there is an opportunity to re-enter the market. I don't want to prolong the video because this strategy we are using with only one indicator is really simple. I think it has been understood very clearly. If there are some parts you didn't understand, please write in the comment section. Those who think that you can't make money with only one indicator are in a big misconception. Among many strategies I have been applying for years, the one with a 92% success rate in my personal record is the triple supertrend strategy. Of course, not every strategy may be suitable for everyone's trading goals. That's why please pass the strategies you want to apply through a comprehensive backtesting, based on your own risk tolerance and profit target. Until the next video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share our videos.